Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find your downloaded music on Amazon Music using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Amazon Music app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on Library at the bottom of your screen. Inside Library, you will see different options like Song, Album, Playlist. Now tap Downloaded. This section shows only the music saved on your iPhone. Here you will see all your downloaded songs, album and playlist. If you downloaded a playlist, tap the playlist, then open the playlist. All the songs inside will play without internet. If you downloaded an album, tap album, then choose the album. Now here is a helpful tip. If you want to make sure you are listening only to downloaded music, turn on offline mode. Tap the settings icon in the Amazon Music app, then turn on offline mode. When offline mode is on, Amazon Music hides online music and shows only downloaded songs. This makes it very easy to find and play your downloads. And that's it. That's how to find downloaded music on Amazon using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.